Hello everyone, I am Heland and welcome to my channel, the channel that specializes in crypto world. Now, the topic for today, I want to introduce you very informative information about Egretia ICO that will take place in this May. So, before going to further information, for the further part of the topic, I will want to remind you that my video is created based on my own knowledge and my own research. So make sure you do your own research before doing anything. So let's get started. And as some video that I have made before, Egretia is a very potential ICO, and the team that's very veteran and very excellent in that field. So in this video, I just want to provide you some information about Egretia core products architecture. So let's start. As you can see here, Egretia core product architecture will have first of all, it will create the HTML5 blockchain engines. The contents powered by the Egretia engine account for 75% of HTML5 market in China, with more than 200,000 developers worldwide. And the Egretia engine will provide the Egretia BaaS SDK, which will allow easy access to blockchain for all the Egretia games. And through the Egretia BaaS SDK, developers can create blockchain games or even migrate existing Egretia games to blockchain games in a very easy way. So this is now we move to the next. This is the HTML5 blockchain engine architect, as you can see here. And as it's shown above in the diagram, the bottom part represents the Egretia engine. It will using the Egretia IDE tooling. Developers can quickly develop HTML5 games as long as developers add the Egretia BaaS SDK while creating new projects. Blockchain related APIs will easily accessible. And the second product that also an architect of Egretia is Egretia runtime. And so before going to the Egretia runtime, we wanna make it clear about Egretia runtime. Egretia runtime and Egretia runtime are two separate things. So at first, Egretia runtime is an accelerator components developed by the Egretia team to enhance the HTML5 game performance and can be embedded as a seamless extension into the browser or other applications on the mobile devices. And that by using Egretia runtime, game developers can ignore the differences between diverse operating systems, browsers, and terminals, so that the HTML5 games can run more efficiently with amazing performance. And moreover, runtime also has access to mobile device hardware, improving the gaming experience. By the end of 2017, Egretia runtime has been installed 1 billion times. So with what Egretia runtime gain in the 2017, it will affect to what in Egretia runtime. As you can see here, this is the map of the chart that illustrate the Egretia runtime architecture. The Egretia runtime is also a completely upgraded version of Egretia runtime. Not only does it fully support the functions of original runtime, it also integrated the Egretia blockchain models or to make for more secure core functions at the lower layer of the application. And the Egretia BaaS model, which allow developers to easily call the Egretia blockchain interface, also fully support the DPoS mechanism, realizing ledgers and data exchange on the basic layer of the runtime. The third product that included in Egretia architecture is Egretia Game Global Distribution Platform. This is also the chart that illustrates it, and as you can see, the open platform of strategic partner Egretia Technology is the largest HTML gaming platform in the world, and it has more than 2,000 distribution channels and more than 65,000 HTML games with 40 million monthly active users, leveraging the new business revolutions brought by the blockchain technology. The Egretia Open Platform will be fully integrated to decentralized HTML5 gaming distribution platform and support HTML5 developers and reach the HTML5 players worldwide. So the next product included in Egretia products is Egretia Virtual Goods Trading Platform, and as you can lean on this chart for more understanding. And as you can see here, the players have always faced with the problem how to answer the value of virtual goods and the security of personal information in the virtual goods transactions. And the Egretia Virtual Goods Trading Platform can help them to solve that problem. And the five products in Egretia architecture is decentralized advertising platform that will create an advertising platform based on Egretia and based on KYC principles. When they will capable of capturing the user's portrait accurately so that they can deliver ads and that's what the users are interested in. And on the other hand, the token-based advertising platform will help to Egretia circulation. And the last products related to the Egretia architecture is the HTML5 distributed communication and the storage service platform. It is powered by the blockchain technology to provide the decentralized server site and distributed communication and storage. Egretia will cooperate with more third-party public chains as well as technology service providers and offering developers more comprehensive distributed communications and storage service. In addition to help developers create a game from its concept, it will be easier to migrate a single-player game into the regional cross-server low latency online game based on Egretia technologies, thus really reducing the cost of game development. So that is all the information about the core products included in Egretia architecture. So based on my own research about this project, I would like to express my own opinion about it. And I think that the project is backed by various institutional investors that I will, make separate videos after this video, and it meaning that it has passed the scrutiny of those investors. And by using this platform, then user can be able to make a lot of money, and the team is comprised of experienced entrepreneurs who have relevant experience in the app growth and space, but are still unsure how it attracts users and businesses, and whether it or not it will gain the attractions in the long run. That's all the information that I want you to know in this video. And if you're interested in this project, the information that I am going to provide you now is maybe very helpful for you, because it's all about the ICO information. The token sale will take place in 26 May to 30th of May, and the token price will be 1 EGT equal to 0.0101 US dollar, and the fundraising goal will be 24,800,000 US dollar, and the total tokens will be provide for the markets will be 8 billion, and available for token sale will be 39%. And if you want to join in this projects, you have to register, know your customers of the project, and the minimum of personal cap will be 0.1 Ether, and the maximum of personal cap will be 3 Ether, and it accepts both for Ether and CMT for you to buy this to buy the token in this event. So that's all the information in this video, and if you have any questions, please raise a question on the comments. I want to remind you that my video is created based on my own research and my own knowledge. So please do your research before investing in this ICO. So thank you and goodbye.